Okay, so we have another problem here. Investments in 2016, which is a medium level problem. The table name is insurance, which has 5 columns: PID of type integer, TIV 2015 of type float, TIV 2016 of type float, LAT of type float, and lon of type float. PID is the primary key, column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains information about one policy where PID is the policy holder's policy ID, TIV 2015 is the total investment value in 2015, and TIV 2016 is the total investment value in 2016. LAT is the latitude here, and lon is the longitude here of the policy holder's city. And it is guaranteed that lat and long is not null. Okay. So we need to write a solution to report the sum of all total investment values in 2016 for all policy holders who are have the same TIV 2015 values as one or more other policy holders and are not located in the same city as any other policy holder. That is, the lat and lon attribute pair must be unique. Okay. And round the TIV 2016 to 2 decimal values. Okay. So we have this insurance table here, and in output we are only getting TIV 2016 as 45, the sum. Okay. The explanation here: the first record in the table, like the last record, meets both of the 2 criteria. Okay. So the first criteria was have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policy holders. Okay. So we have this investment amount of 10. This amount is same for ID1, for ID3, and for ID4. So we have total 3 people who have invested this amount, and we know for sure that the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policy holders. That means at least more than one people should have invested the same amount. Only then we will include that amount in our unique list of TIV 2015 values. So we have only 10. Okay. And for the other condition, are not located in the same city as any other policy holders. So we can see here that ID2 has lat lon 2020 and ID3 has lat lon 2020. So these two are not in this criteria, whereas 1010 is different and 4040 is also different. So these two are following this criteria, due to which the sum of investment of 2016 for PID1 is 5 and PID4 is 40, and the sum of their investment is 45. Okay, which is rounded till 2 decimal places. So now we need to find the solution. So we will break down this solution into criterias. That is, first we will find the TIV 2015 values which are greater than 1. Okay. After that, we will simply find the unique latitude and longitude attributes pairs for every PID, and we will only include the unique values, that is 1010 only and 4040 only. After that, we will simply merge our solution to get the final query. So let's write it. First of all, we will work on the first query. Okay. So select TIV 2015, count TIV 2015 as CNT from insurance group by TIV 2015 having CNT at least greater than 1. Okay. So with this, we will get the TIV 2015 values grouped by the count, that is the number of time they are appearing in this table, and we are only getting those values which are appeared for at least 2 times, that is greater than 1. Okay. So let's see what we are getting now. So we have TIV 2015 whose value is 10, which is appeared for 3 times. That means 3 people has invented this amount 10 in 2015. Okay. So we will wrap this in a CTE query. We have our first solution ready with CTE as Now we will work on our second solution. So what we need to do here, the second condition is are not located in the same city as any other policy holder. That is the let loan attribute pair must be unique. We need to make sure this pair must be unique. So what we can do here, we can simply select lat and long, okay, lat comma long, and we are talking about pair, so we will simply concat this value to make it unique. Concat lat comma long as lock location from insurance, okay. And what we can do here, we can simply count these unique pairs whose count is equals to 1. That means they are unique only. That means we have only one pair of 10-10, only one pair of 40-40. And we can see here the pair of 20-20 is 2. So we won't include this. We only include those pairs which are unique. That is, which came only once in the insurance table. So what we can do here, we can simply write a condition that select concat lat comma lon, and let's write this having count concat lat comma lon equals to 1. Let's see what we are getting now. Select from CTE 2. Okay, we are not getting anything. So what we can write here, group by lock. Okay, so we have this value 1010 and 4040, which means after grouping the data by the location, we are only getting the counts whose count is equals to 1. That is 10-10, which came only once, 40-40, which came only once. Okay, so our second solution is also ready. Now what we can do here, we can write the query and apply both these conditions in our query. So what we can do, we can select our data later. First of all, we will simply write the where condition where. What was the first condition? That is have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more policyholder. So what we can write here, where TIV 2015 in. What there is a possibility that we can get more than one value here. So we won't write here equals to, instead of we will write a bracket and write the query select from CTE 1. The data which will be coming from the CTE 1 is nothing but the TIV 2015 value. Okay, so what we can do here, you can simply replace this value as this, and the concat lat comma lon in select from CTE 2. Now what we can do here, we can simply select the TIV 2016 values which are matching both these criterias from the insurance table. So let's see what we are getting now. Okay, so we have a problem here. Okay, comma was written here. So we have 5 and 40. That is TIV 2016 value 5 and 40 from PID ID 1 and PID ID 4. So what we can do here, we can simply sum the values and round the data up to 2 decimal digits. Sum and round. Sum comma 2 and simply write it as TIV 2016. So let's see what we are getting now. Our solution is correct. Let's submit it. As you can see, it is accepted. If you like the solution, please like the video.